All right, right now it is 3:01. We are about to pull in to the shipper to get the load. Looks like they changed this the entrance. Looks like they changed the entrance. But we're here to pick up our load that's going back to Chicago. Picking up. $32.16 $63,010.
Last name on it. That's one name. I can drop it 38 and pick up 46.
$202 888. $202 888. All right, guys. So basically, they changed it. They had the end gate on the other side of the building, so now they have it in a small ass little shack, which I'm not sure why they're doing it that way. And I really don't care. But yeah, anyways, we're about to go pick our load up. We're picking up 4757. It's the last four digits. I think it's gonna be, pretty sure it's on the other side of the building. Here's our load right here, 324 757, and then we're gonna drop our load 30. We're gonna drop our empty in 38, which is right here. right there. Appreciate it. All right, guys. We have our bill. Put this paperwork in. All right, guys. So we got our load that's going back. About to take a turn over here and then give you guys an update when we get closer. All right, guys, it's an update. Right now it is 7:39. We are about to turn onto 71st Street. It's still daylight outside, which is a good thing. By the time we finish, it's dark. But we are gonna finish during the day today. Drop this load off. We're like 3 minutes away, and that'll be it.
So you know me, a good fella. Never ever bail, always be a fella. Stay with me, girl, chase this cheddar. And when it rain, Gucci umbrella. My lane.
Damn, the clouds right now look beautiful. Looks like heaven is right behind those clouds. How great it looks out here. Perfect. All right, we're going to WHC. Gotta find a parking spot, and I think I just found one.